Hello all, my name is Abhisarika. My group number is 3. My team members are Akhilesh, Avinash, Mahesh, Supriya, Sirisha. Now we are discussing a topic on understanding cloud security and cyber security. Here, cloud security and cyber security are integral issues that cannot be neglected to develop modern computing. They comprise of guidelines, platforms, and techniques that are used for ensuring secure data and applications in the cloud infrastructure. It has some problems such as joint action models, protection of data, and upcoming dangers are also identified. So the proposed policy are the encryption, the access control, and the threat detection and the compliance measures. With the changes that are in motion, maintain the strong security status. Next slide. In this, we are going to discuss about established security frameworks, securing the cloud architecture, the shared responsibility model, threats and vulnerabilities, cybersecurity strategies, data sovereignty and compliance, emerging trends and technologies, case studies and examples, recommendations and conclusions. Next slides are explained by Mahesh.
Okay, I want to explain about the established security frameworks. There are three frameworks like CSA, Cloud Control Matrices. The comprehensive set of security controls for cloud services providers, addressing area like access management, data protection, and incident response. And NIST, Cybersecurity Framework, a risk-based on approach to managing cybersecurity, focusing on crucial infrastructure protection and aligning security practices with business objectives. So these best practices, proven security measures such as encryption, access control, and compliances with standards like GDPR and HIPAA. Next slide. So, in this slide, I want to explain about security, the cloud architecture. In this, the client architecture are internet application services, runtime cloud storage infrastructure. In this IaaS cloud provision, customers the capability to access virtual computers, network accessible storage, network infrastructure components, and other fundamental computing resources on which consuming can deploy and run arbitrary software. So the cloud consumer who use PaaS can employ the tools and execution resources provided by cloud providers for the purpose of deploying, testing, deploying, and managing applications hosted in the cloud environment. And in SaaS security, these applications are usually deployed as hosted services and are accessed via a network connecting SaaS customers and providers. Next slide will be explained by Sirisha.
The shared responsibility models. Provider responsibility. Securing the underlying infrastructure such as physical data centers, networks, and visualization. Customers' responsibility. Protecting their applications, data, and user access within the cloud environment. Collaboration. Establishing clear boundaries and communication between the provider and the customer is crucial for effective cloud security. Threats and vulnerabilities. Data breaches. Unauthorized access to sensitive data stored in the cloud, often due to weak access control for misconfigured settings. Second one, insider threats. Malicious actions by authorized users such as employees or third-party contractors who abuse their privilege. Third one, misconfiguration. Improperly configured cloud resources leading to security gap and potential entry points for attackers. Distributional denial of service. Attacks that cloud resources and disrupt service availability. Next, followed by Avinash.
Thank you, Sirisha. In the slides, we'll discuss about cybersecurity strategies. Cybersecurity strategies are mainly of three types. The first type is threat detection. So, detection involves proactive monitoring and analysis of cloud-based activities to identify and respond to potential threats. Uh, for example, Grey House strategy. So the second one is incident response. This comes after the security breach is detected. So this involves comprehensive plans and a process to effectively manage and mitigate the impact after the security breach has happened. So the third one is security automation, which involves leveraging tools and technologies to streamline security operations and reduce the risk of human error. Security automation is now the more involved side of the cybersecurity strategies in cloud computing, in which many strides are happening using artificial intelligence and various tools. Next slide, please. So in this slide, we'll discuss about data sovereignty and compliance. So data sovereignty concerns around the geographic location and the jurisdictional control of the data that is stored in the cloud. Since cloud servers will be placed at different positions in different geographical areas, so the laws and rules and regulations of that areas may differ. The second is regulatory compliance. This means the adherence to industry-specific regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS to ensure proper handling of sensitive data. This again refers to following the specific area set by the government, specific rules set by the government of the area to ensure the proper handling of the sensitive data. So, third is challenges. The challenge in data sovereignty and compliance is about what we talked about earlier. It's about the navigating the complexities of international data transfer because the rules may differ. The rules will differ from different countries, and this also involves addressing potential legal and regulatory conflicts. So, the next slides will be explained by Supriya. Thank you.
Yeah, I would like to explain about emerging trends and technologies. And here there are zero trust, and cloud native security. Here, first, a security model that assumes no implicit trust and continuously verify user identities and divorce process because granting access. Next, divorce and it is about seamlessly wearing security measures into a software development process from inspection to deployment. It involves integrating security practices and tools throughout the entire software development lifecycle and ensuring that security is a fundamental accept the development process rather than after through. Next is cloud native security and security solution design specifies for a cloud environment, leveraging and cloud services and APIs to enhance visibilities. In this cloud navigative security, on the other hand, focus on implementing security solutions tailoring specifically for cloud environment. These solutions are designed to address the unique challenges and requirements of cloud-based architecture and safeguarding applications and data stored and processing into the cloud. Next slide, please. Yeah, case studies and examples like healthcare providers, cloud migration, financial institution, cloud transformations, government agencies, cloud adoptions. In this each scenario, the respective organization effectively leveraging cloud technologies to enhance their operations while addressing sector specific challenges, and these healthcare providers ensures patient data security and implies during migration, while the financial institution optimizes security measures to cut cost and streamline process. Similarly, the government agencies prioritize data sovereignty and regularity during the cloud adoptions, and examples like underscore and the strategies implementation of cloud solutions to the unique need of each industries, ultimately resulting in the improved efficiency, reduced cost, and strengthening data protection measures. Further explained by Akhilesh.
So hi.
So I'm going to conclude this presentation. First, we can, in the conclusion, I can say that we can continuously monitor the cybersecurity implementations. Like when we monitor different cybersecurity issues, we can implement robust security monitoring and analyze to detect and respond to the threats in real time. And we should regularly update our software to ensure that cloud infrastructure, applications, and secure controls are regular to update to address evolving threats and vulnerabilities. And we need to adapt to latest technologies and maintain flexibility for secure environment to address the dynamic nature of cloud computing and emerging security challenges. Secure data and applications in the cloud requires a comprehensive strategic approach, leveraging an established frameworks, best practices, and emerging technologies. By addressing the shared responsibilities, migrating threats, and embracing a culture of continuous improvements, organizations can effectively protect their crucial assets in the cloud. Thank you. Thank you for joining today to explore the world of cloud security. We hope you have found information valuable insights. Thank you.